Hey guys, it is Zachariah, back in Ah! Who are you?
I'm me.
Well, welcome me. He is my new neighbor. His name is Me. His last name is Me. His real name is Colton.
Hi.
Come up closer, please.
Okay.
Alright, so he's my new neighbor. He looks shy. Make your weirdest face.
Okay.
Okay. Alright, so, oh, wait, I'm playing a game right now. I need to work.
I dislike that mini game.
Why?
It's so hard.
I
especially on Xbox.
don't think it's hard. Well, it's because you are an Xbox boy.
And I'm on.
I died. Hey!
Fail.
Hey! Hey! Get off your phone! Jeez Louise. Alright, back to normal. He's from Kentucky. Now, say your best accent.
Australian, mate. I'm Australian.
Kentucky accent, please.
I have a Kentucky accent. This is my accent.
Oh. Well, I'm Floridian. I don't know what accents are, alright? Alright, so this guy's name is Lich Boy. Oh, no. Too close to his face. Everything is glitched in this game. Nidalpinifum 120. Paxton Smith. This guy's moving. Abraham and J Monkey Steelers.
Run.
Alright. Slippery sledding. Oh, I hate this one.
What is it?
Just give me.
I've never liked it.
Oh my gosh, he can't move, so of course I can't move. I'm in that one single line where I cannot move.
Wow.
Can you get out of my way, sir?
Sir, we're gonna need you to get escorted. Go bye-bye.
I'm doing great now,
Goodbye.
too. That stinks.
Go bye-bye.
I can still navigate the course. If I could still make it, that means Epic Minigames suck at their games and make them too easy. Because I literally spent 10 seconds in front of a guy's butt.
But wait, what?
I don't know.
21?
Pilots.
72.
Ers.
Yeet.
Ers.
Deb.
He's joining Epic Minigames, but I don't think he's going to be in the same server. If he gets in the same server, please donate $1,000 to his YouTube channel coming in a month. Because that means he's a rare doofus out of the state of Kentucky.
What if I hack?
Well, that would be a very disappointment for you being my neighbor.
I do not. My brother did. Just had to fix.
Hacking is not real. Alright, going underground. Is this the one that I hate? No, it's not. It's taking forever for his game to load. And are you in my server? No, you're not.
Wait, what's your name?
Dan TDM Lover 7563.
No!
Is it?
I know how to spell.
Hey, I'm glitched. So am I obviously going to win because I'm glitched?
That's just sad.
Do you have any friends?
Yes. Friend.
Is your girlfriend play Roblox?
Nope.
Was that the online person?
Nope. That's not her though.
Which one is her?
I don't want to say.
Tell me.
That's my girlfriend.
Who's she then?
That's my girlfriend's friend.
Who's she then?
Jasmine. She's my friend. I think she likes me. Then it's Yay. My friend Swagpin YT. Why you just zoom in?
Because you're being very boring. Alright, I'm gonna get out of the game so I can friend you, and then we're gonna go back into the game. Let me move my recorder into the middle.
Hi guys. I did.
I could have just put it in full screen. You could have asked me. Yeah.
Deborah.
What? Deborah.
I just want to go. Gosh.
What's your username?
Pig Sheep 1386.
Pink Sheep 1386.
Don't get us copyrighted.
I'm gonna copyright you.
No.
Yes.
I copyrighted Pig Sheep.
But you are Pink Sheep.
Me. Add friend. That is me.
Friend.
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 Twend.
Twin.
Twend.
Do you know? Wait. Do you know how to rhyme?
Buy, lie, cry, jai.
Jai.
I don't know my life.
That user already has max number of friends. Oh God, I need to delete my friends. That's sad.
Delete one that.
I've always wanted to delete a certain friend, but she only has one friend, which is me, which I think is kind of sad in my opinion. So I don't unfriend her.
Who do you?
So I'm deleting somebody that spells angel wrong, or she actually wanted her username to be angle, like the angle of math.
Oh God. Well, are you good at math?
What's 9 times 9? Wait.
90.
Wait. You're going to 5th grade and you think 9 times 9 is 90.
No, it's 100.
No, it's 81. That's what you get. What you up to? I don't know, but I unfriended you. Except.
Yay, we're friends.
Your friend.
We're twins.
Twins.
Friend.
Twins. Well, we're really 5 days apart, so it could be twins.
But you have blonde hair, I have black hair.
My best friend's only, her birthday is one day after me. She's born one day after me. It's already at 7 minutes. I need to get into the chat so I can say something to you, sir.
No.
Can I get in the chat?
Well,
Can somebody spam chat in the chat? In my chat, of my YouTube chat. In the chat, not the Roblox chat, but the chat in the YouTube chat with the chat and say chat. My dad's name is Chad. What? Is okay, Pink Sheep 1386. He's my new friend. No idea who he is, but he's my new friend.
it's not me.
Oh my God. Well, if it is you, you look very ugly, sir.
Run. Whip.
Why do you have that face?
I don't know. I just now started Roblox.
You. Hello. Wait.
Hello, neighbor.
Oh my gosh. It's
Wait, should we combine this into a cat dance?
Hello, ma'am. Wait. Hello, ma'am. Enter for free Robux at shopmrbeast.com.
You guys subscribe to PewDiePie.
And of course, it's tagged. Okay. I'm going to be like Donald Trump for a second and do a speech. If you guys are obsessed with chats, because when I go on my chat here and I try to search something, this is what comes up. And the only thing that's not chat is when you say hello to them. So what I'm going to say back is, Roblox, please stop tags, aka hashtag
Shop Mr. Beast.
hashtag stop hashtags. Bam! That's for some justice. It says, oh, that's very blurry. I don't think I can even see that. Let's look at it on mine. Bam! It says he's still chatting. H.
See, that's what it says. Respect it.
Oh my gosh! It had a hashtag. I need to. Oh, wait, what?
What?
All right, I'm gonna spam the H in the chat here. Spam the H in the chat, and that's
HH. Bro, your computer's lagging. No. Don't. You're gonna get copyrighted. They're gonna find where I live. I see dog.
Alright, this video is going to be over because of technical difficulties. Because we were trying to make a video, but we obviously failed because we don't know what to do because we're so bored that we can't even do anything. So hey, I'm going to end it off with a classic goodbye with the light video. So say something now before I turn off the lights, Colton.
Yeet!
They still see her sleep. No! They still see her sleep. I'm done with YouTube. I am done with YouTube.